Hey everyone. I have a little bit of a life announcement update. I announced it on my TikTok yesterday or the day before, I can't remember. But we moved here to Arizona back in February of last year because I was pregnant and I wanted to be closer to my family and friends and whatever the hell that is. But I actually missed the Midwest. We decided back in November of last year that we were going to move back, basically as soon as we can. We had tenants living in our old house that are not renewing the lease, and that lease was up March 1st. So we are actually leaving Arizona this week and moving back to the Midwest. I really miss the weather there. I miss the four seasons. I miss the green, the clouds, the rain, everything about it. So we are moving back. I will try and document the process as I go, which packing is never really fun. But we have the majority of the house already ready to go because we had an open house and we listed it Saturday. So it's basically ready to go. We just need to finish packing and put everything in the garage and get it going. But I just wanted to have a little update here on my YouTube since I said I was going to be posting more. Consider me posting more. And that's about it.